Hello. Hi everyone.
Cooey, hello.
Ready to dive in? Let's get ready to dive.
Oh, bonjour mes enfants! Play a little game to get our imaginations working. So we're going to act out a well-known fairy tale today.
We are going to a place called Obstacle Island.
I'm going to transport you all the way to France today.
What we're going to do is use our bodies to set the scene.
3, 2, 1, go.
So we're going to zing, wake up those brains! I have managed to get some sweat from the famous footballer Paul Pogba.
So I'm going to need your help actually with the stories.
Imagine that you were writing the newspaper article.
I've got some brilliant beginnings, but I'm going to need you to help me make them the brilliant part.
What would the headline be?
Now remember, this is a really, really good way to help you write a brilliant story.
Suddenly, show me a suddenly face. Ready? Suddenly, a great word to use in your stories.
Suddenly, so let's zoom around the room in our shoes. We are on our way to find our last character. Zoom and maybe a bit of a spin.
Can you see my movements changing? Can you see my physicalities changing?
We're going to imagine that we're actually the food melting in the pan. So everybody get down.
I'm going to call out a place, and I'd like you to use your body to create that place or thing.
Skate, skate,